this video, we'll look at a brief introduction of how to use the EBSCO database. So to start, let's go to the library website, which you can find on the main Access Manager page. So here at the library's homepage, if you scroll down, on the left-hand side towards the bottom, there is a link for databases A to Z. And here is a list of all of the databases that the library subscribes to. These are in alphabetical order. And then on the right-hand side, here are databases that are popular, and they're also arranged by title and alphabetical order. So here is EBSCO. And we'll choose all databases. And then on this page, we're going to refine it a little bit, and we'll look at Academic Search Complete and Art and Architecture Source. So after you've selected those, click Continue. And then here you see we have our search bar. So today I'm going to look for video art. And this is a really broad search. And so you can see we have about 77,000 results. And on the left-hand side, there are different ways where you can refine your results. You can limit to full text items, peer-reviewed. You can also narrow it down to certain types of resources, magazines, academic journals, and so forth. And so let's try an advanced search to refine these results a little bit. So maybe you would like to look for a particular artist and eliminate some other subjects. So if you go to advanced search, we can search video art and Bill Viola, and maybe we say not therapy. We're not interested in art therapy. And then click search. And you can see there are much fewer results. We have 351. And if you click into a record, you can see that there are subject headings. And these can be really helpful as you're conducting research. You can see there's one for the artist, one for video art, installation art. And so if you click on one of these subject links, it conducts just a basic search for that subject. So here we see more resources that deal with installation art. So if we go back to our results here, and this record shows us that we have full text access to the article. And if you open up the PDF, there are different ways where you can save, you can download the article, you can print it, you can save it to Google Drive. There's also the option to create an EBSCO account. So if you go here to sign in, there's an option to create an account through EBSCO, and that will just provide another venue to save um, resources. So if we go back to our results list, and maybe you're looking and you see something that is interesting that perhaps we don't have access to. So maybe this issue regarding mortality and Bill Viola is interesting, but it doesn't look like we have full text access. The library can still try to obtain the article for you. If you scroll down here, you'll see there's a chat option. And at this exact moment, chat is offline, but you, between 9 to 5, you can submit a chat here and one of us will respond to you. You can also send us an email, and then we can walk you through the process of submitting an interlibrary loan request to try and get a copy of that article that you're looking for. And that is a brief introduction of doing a little search in EBSCO. Please reach out to the library if you have any questions. Thank you.